Okay, now let's take a look at these areas that have gray boxes. Now, you won't need to fill out anything in here. I will fill out these boxes for you. This all the numbers that I'll enter in here are all depending on what information you give me. Okay, so in my example, I said I'm going to sell hot dogs for $3, but I'm going to change that. Let's go to a $15 hot dog. Okay, and let's say my soda instead of $1.50. Let's say I'm selling my soda for 10 cents, and let's say I'm giving tips away for free. Okay, and the reason I do that is it will affect what numbers go in here for how much I sell, and then inventory, how much you have left over at the end of the game, and that you can apply to the next game. Like if I had all my chips left over, and let's actually change that instead of $10. Let's go to or 10 cents. Let's go to $10, and my chips instead of free. Let's make those 10 cents. Okay. And so it impacts how many you sell, of course, but what you're charging, and then if you have anything left over. Down at the bottom, it says balance, game one, game two, all the way over here. You'll notice right here, $500. That's how much money you have to start. So you cannot, when you go to order your goods, you can't spend more than $500. Okay. Because you only have 500 to buy all your stuff with to start with. Okay. Uh, so don't go over this $500. Let me show you how you can kind of figure this out. If I'm buying 12 hot dogs is all, I have to go to my guidelines, and I'm buying the best, right? So the best was $5 a dozen, and I'm buying 12 total hot dogs. That's 1 dozen hot dogs. Okay. So 12 is a dozen, buying 1 dozen hot dogs, that's $5. Okay. I also am getting 1 dozen hot dog buns, the good kind, and the better kind, I guess. And that's going to be halfway between $1.40 and $1.80, which is $1.60. I'm ordering just 1 dozen of them, so that's $1.60. So I was spending for my hot dogs, $5, and $1.60 for the hot dog buns. Okay. And then let's take a look at soda. Soda, I bought 10 cases. 10 cases. Well, 5 cases is 42.50. So 10 cases is twice that. Twice 42.50 is $85. Okay. Now let's look at chips. I ordered 200 bags of chips. So I can order in multiples of 100. So 200 is twice this. Twice of $27 is $54. And then I had to order courtesy kits, and I ordered 100 of those. 100 kits is $14. Okay. So these are the prices. I'm going to change all this, make it look like it's in dollars instead of just weird numbers. There we go. So now I can add this up. Okay. So you can use a calculator to add this up. You can write it all down on paper and add it up. That's going to be up to you. I'm just going to use my little um, tool right here if I can figure out where it is. And I don't see it on my computer right. Oh, here it is. I think this is it. Actually, we'll just do this. Equals the sum of all this. So I spent $159.60. I could spend up to 500. So if that was me, I would go back and order more stuff to get close to this $500 balance. Okay. But in my example, I'm not going to do that. Okay. So now I run my program. So I spent $159.60, and we're going to take a look here shortly and see what kind of money I make.